Yo, what up, guys? So I'm just giving you guys another update on my portfolio. Currently at $21,589. Market gain $2,798, and earned dividends. I hit the $100 mark, so pretty happy about that. I'm at 119 right now in earned dividends. As far as buys, I'm buying tomorrow Ally or not. Well, technically, yeah, tomorrow. I did add some yesterday, I believe, around the $36 mark. So just dollar cost averaging. This is a starter position for me. This will be my second share for tomorrow morning if when it goes through, pretty much. And then my other trades that I did, I bought some Alibaba like 2 days ago. I bought it around $95, and then I think it can keep going down low. So just yeah, adding very small. Lucid added $50 worth, around $18. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as buys. Ally is a dividend payer as well. I like the company. I actually I'm in the process of buying, and I use them to refinance my house. So yeah, that's why I like them. And yeah, they pay dividend, and Warren Buffett as well has been buying. And then yeah, Baba is a long term no dividend payer there. Chinese Amazon, pretty much. And then Lucid, yeah, the cars, they're pretty cool. EVs, the future, so that's why I like those. And yeah, just still dollar cost averaging, adding $300 every week so far. Buying power have around close to $300. Still just buying very small because yeah, just been going up like crazy. The market, as you can see, I'm up $2,700 right now. So yeah, just if there is a pullback, I'll be buying more, adding more money to my account, and yeah, that's pretty much it as far as my update to my portfolio. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below if you have questions, and yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.